In this video, I'll show you how to buy meme coins on Uniswap. First, the basic process is not very different from buying any other token on Uniswap. You start by opening the Uniswap app or the Uniswap Wallet, then connect your wallet if you are using the web app. Uniswap's official guides say you can buy tokens by going to the swap screen, choosing the token you want to pay with, then selecting the token you want to receive. In most cases, people use ETH, USDC, or another major token as the starting asset when buying meme coins. The most important part is choosing the correct meme coin. Uniswap says you can search for a token by name, but you can also search by contract address, and that is usually the safer method for meme coins. That matters because many meme coins have copycat names, fake versions, or scam tokens that look almost identical to the real one. Uniswap's token warnings page specifically says to use the contract address to make sure you are swapping the token you actually intend to buy. Once you have the correct contract address, open swap, choose the token you want to spend, then paste or search the meme coin contract in the token field. After that, check the network carefully. Uniswap supports multiple networks, and the same token name may exist on different chains. Uniswap's wallet and web app guides both show that you can switch networks directly from the swap screen before reviewing the trade. Next, enter the amount you want to buy and tap Review. Uniswap's swap guide explains that some tokens may require an approval transaction before the swap can happen, and all swaps also require a network fee, sometimes called gas. For meme coins, it's also smart to start with a small amount first, because lower liquidity tokens can have more slippage, bigger price swings, and larger buy or sell taxes than standard tokens. Uniswap also points users to third-party token security checks for reviewing buy and sell tax information. Another important thing to watch for is warnings. Uniswap now shows token warnings for risks such as suspected spam or possible honeypot behavior. Their support page says a warning does not always mean the token is definitely malicious, but it does mean you should be extra careful and do your own research before going ahead. If a token has almost no liquidity, a very large price impact, or a warning you do not understand, it may be better not to buy it at all. Also remember that not every token is available through the Uniswap Labs interface. Uniswap explains that the protocol itself is permissionless, but the web app and wallet can restrict some token contracts under their unsupported token policies. So if a meme coin does not appear, it may be unsupported in the interface, or you may need to double-check the network and contract address you are using. So the simple process is this. Fund your wallet, open Uniswap, go to swap, use the correct contract address for the meme coin, confirm the network, review the amount and fees, and then submit the swap. Just remember that meme coins can be much riskier than major tokens, so moving slowly and checking everything carefully is a very smart idea. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.